To add links to your channel, click on Customize Channel, and then click on the cog settings icon, and then customize the layout of your channel. Make sure that it's turned on and hit save at the bottom. Now, in your banner, click on the pencil and hit edit links. And here, click on the button add, and then enter the title for your link. So I have my Twitter, Facebook, and whatever, and then copy the URL and paste it in. So for me, mine is twitter.com/JamesSaysItAll. If you want to remove your link, you can simply click on the trash can next to it and then hit done when you're finished.